I think I just like filming on my floor because why not? Okay, so today I am coming to you. Also, there are kids in the background, and I'm realizing how bright my all this is looking. Let's simmer down. Simmer the fuck down, bitch. Okay. So yeah, I wanted to like do a Easter tutorial for you guys. But all I can think of is like a pink look. So that's basically what we're gonna be doing today. But I figured since Easter is in the spring, I'm gonna use my spring monthly box. So I am gonna use my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, my Chasing Rainbows palette by Color Rain. No, not by ColourPop. You know, color. And then I'm gonna try to use this Douche by Juvia's Place. So we have here this. I really don't know what to do. This is the Chasing Rainbows one. When I say I have no clue, I really want to empty this out and just use the inside of it. I wonder is like underneath it. Okay, whatever. And then there. I really just from the Juvia's Place one, I want to put this color right here all over my lid. But I feel like I'm probably going to go in with this shade here too. Well, I feel like I'm just going to use these two shades because I have an idea with my crease. I just don't know what to do with my crease, if that makes any sense. So I think I figured it out. Okay, so I put the 4 colors here that I'm going to be trying to be using. Yeah, looks weird, but it's gonna work. So first I'm just going with the Dolce palette and going with the Creme palette, but whatever, fuck it. Just put that all in my crease. Ooh, I'm fucking up already. I'm joking. No, I'm not. This is almost like a transition color. It's basically gonna set the mood for everything. And then I'm just gonna, y'all already know I prime my ass with the P. Louise base. And now we're just gonna go in with the ColourPop one and go in with this color right here, which is a really peachy color. I really hope I'm doing this right. I never used this color either, so I really hope this is going to be exactly what I want, which is not. It's fine, it's fine. So I'm just going to mix this in with that other pink color that is on top and try to get more pink or peachy or corally tones out of it, I guess. And then now we're going to deepen it up, give it a little bit more pizzazz in a way. With, I'm gonna use 2 brushes, I already know. With this color right here, the Zobo color by Juvia's Place, the Masquerade palette. Just, oh shit, we'll just go in and get some of that. Got way too much, but. And we're just gonna place it really in that crease right there. And because this is an older palette, we're just gonna really just. Okay. So I do want to deepen it out. I notice right now that I do want to deepen it out. So I think I'm going to use another color to deepen out this crease some more. Just like really. I like that. I like this. Y'all like this? I like this. Doesn't matter if you don't like it or not. I like it. This actually, I think this is the kind of combo I wanted for, I wanted for my, I'm just going in with that brush. And, what was that thing? I don't fucking know. Anyway, I'm going to deepen it up with this Keep It Cool ColourPop. This is a trash ass color. But since we just need it to be right there in the center, well, not right there in the center, but right there in the crease, it's gonna work out right. You're like, what the fuck is a trash ass color? Yeah, it's a trash ass color. It's really patchy. And I noticed it from day one. So I wouldn't use this as a color to like blend out. I will use it just as a color to pat on in place. Which is exactly what I'm doing with it today. But I'm gonna blend out just a little bit. That's probably like a really, really better view. Like I said, just really trying to focus that on my lid or on the crease. And then just gonna go over that, blend out the edges. Cause I don't want any of this color on my lid. I see some people, like I said, I see some people take a what's it called, a Q-tip, and like take away whatever colors on their lid. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody got time. I really, well, I don't. At least we're gonna just keep patting and patting it until it becomes. Unless it was black, I can see why black. Well, I'm also not doing that. Alright, so I like this brush. But now, the last color. We're gonna go in with that. This color here. And put it all over my lid. Right. Ooh, shit, depending on one. Okay. I think what I will do is mix it with another shade. I put it on the center or whatever. This shade here, or this shade here, or either this shade here in the middle of this. Okay, so what the fuck is in my brush? Okay, I'm going in with the ColourPop one. I'm putting it all over my lid because I just like that one better. Okay, so yeah, I'm taking the ColourPop one, which is right here, and just putting it all over the lid. So I guess I kind of use that burgundy shade as like a base color, which is fine. I still got to use the palette. But not least, I am going to go in with the Juvia's Place palette, the Dolce one, and just go over that pink color that's there and just try to put this in my... Y'all see that? Probably would have been better too. Alright, and then last but not least is to do the lower lash line, which is totally filthy right now. I'll do the same thing that we did on the top. Alright, so I think I've pretty much gotten what I wanted. I am going to put a liner in my bottom, most likely a black. I'm just going to throw in some lashes and lower lash line and all that good stuff to make it like really smoked out, really like sultry or whatever. So yeah, I'll be back to show you the final look. Alright, you guys, so this is my final look. I like this look. I'm feeling this look. I haven't done color in a while, so for me to even put this on my eyes is like shocking for me that I even wanted this. I'm debating on keeping it on because I am about to run to the store. I'm about to run to the store, but I don't know if I want these big of lashes on. But I love big lashes too, so I'm fucking confused. Yeah, you guys. These are the Sephora Lash and Lena lashes. My lip is Kat Von D Plath, Plath. I honestly didn't know what lip to even pair with it, so I just went for brown. Or I could have just done a clear nude or a clear gloss, but I didn't. I actually tried to use a liquid lipstick. So yeah, it's not a bad look. It's not entirely what I was thinking of at first, but it came out like totally better. Remember that I am trying to use all of my palettes throughout this year, so we see multiple palettes done this year. Don't screw me for it. I'm really trying not to buy any more eyeshadow until August. I think I've done it. Do I have anything? I have one palette. I have one thing coming for me, which is pigments. So technically that doesn't count as a palette. So that's coming. And like I said, I think I'm already done. So I have, it's April now. So May, June, July. 4 more months. 4 more months until I can buy a new eyeshadow. And that goes for single shadows too. So I'm really trying, guys, because I definitely was on ColourPop and Give Me Glow website earlier, like looking at shades. So hopefully between now and August, you'll see a whole bunch of more makeup tutorials, which I think is totally happening. And I like this look. I like this look. I think I'm gonna keep it on. Okay, so yeah, I'm about to go get some groceries and stuff done and errands and call it a day. Yeah, you guys, thank you so much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, make sure you hit every button that is on my channel, and please make sure to go ahead and watch the other videos I have put out on my channel, and also make sure to go ahead and I'll be back for the new ones. Bye.